The number of new cases today is 591. The number of recovered cases is 228. Total number of active cases as of today is 3,726. Out of this, East Khasi 2,121. Ribhoi 502. And the total number of deaths from yesterday evening till today afternoon is 18. And out of this 18, East Khas Hills 16, East Janka Hills 1, and West Janka Hills 1. Kijing penting kijing ini ibadai dalam COVID-19 mentah kesini di long kumne.